Good artists copy, great artists steal. And in today's video, we're going to be stealing some ad strategies and some best practices from a $1.5 million Shopify store now. As you guys know, I run a company called akemilab.com where we help brands scale to pretty awesome numbers. And one of the best ways that we know how to do that is actually, well, from doing it, but then also from studying how other people do it. And now, actually going into 2025, we're starting to build some of our own stores and projects that we hope to take to these numbers. All I can say is work with great people and you can achieve great things. Yesterday, we did 13K on this store just with meta ads. So pretty cool stuff. Now, in today's video, I want to go over solawave.co. This is actually a very popular brand, at least in the branded dropshipping e-com world. I don't think they're dropshipping at this point, and I'm not actually sure if they used to dropship or not, but this is definitely a dropshipping kind of potential product, at least for a launch phase, that has now become a really, really cool brand. So, I don't want to speak for them, right? I don't know exactly how they launched, but it's pretty cool that you can launch a brand to this level if you just kind of start with a great idea and some good results from the beginning. So let's actually break it down. The first thing that I want to show you is let's just look at their Black Friday sale, but I want to show you just how they've managed to create new products and continuously launch new things for their community, which is super, super cool. They actually started out as just a wand brand. So they used to only sell this wand for the longest time. And, then they actually started expanding, which is a really cool thing to see. And wow, their landing pages are actually pretty best in class, I would say, if that's the proper terminology, because they have scarcity here, low stock, buy one kid, get one free. Like, this is super, super scarcity based. And I love that personally because it works well. It works super, super well, whether you think it's a good thing to do or not. The data doesn't lie. This kind of stuff does work quite well. I love how they have this in-action tab here because it helps people visualize what the product actually looks like, how it feels for other people, etc. So this is, all things considered, this is actually pretty simple. You could set up a site like this quite easily with any Shopify theme, really. For example, the Shrine theme, that's a paid one that's like really, really nice and can help you set up a store like this. But all you really need is product images, and that's probably the hardest part, I guess. But there's a lot of services for that, and also, there's AI these days. So, yeah, you kind of see how they set it up, right? Let's actually just dissect a little bit of the ad copy, because that's important. A lot of people care a lot about the aesthetics of their store, and that's all fine and dandy, but ultimately, we care about whether it converts or not, right? That's the most important thing. So, achieve radiant skin with this award-winning skincare wand featuring our science-backed technologies. So, right away, they're saying you can achieve radiant skin, and they're kind of also having authority in this first piece of copy here by saying it's science-backed, which is super cool. I really like the idea of science-backed products because it just gives it that much more authority. And then right away, they're going to real customers, real results. So they want to show you the results right away, really high up on the landing page. And then they say results after 30 days. So basically, you can buy this once, and after 30 days, you'll start seeing results. Really cool. So what I really love is this light boost. They have this serum so people can come back over and over again. That is super, super genius. And that's actually a strategy that can be applied to really any sort of like tech product like this that people would only buy once. So I'm noting this down for myself because as we're launching more products, and as we acquire more clients at the agency, I do see that the brands that scale the easiest, or not necessarily the easiest, but the most profitably, are the brands that have recurring subscription models behind them or around them. So this is super smart. This is actually low-key a really big value bomb. Professional grade treatments made easy. That's a really subtly great ad copy thing right there because it tells you that this is super high quality, but it's easy and simple. You can apply this yourself. You don't need to go out. That's a marketing angle, right? You don't need to go out and go to a salon and get this stuff done. You don't need to spend a ton of money every time you want to go do some sort of skincare procedure, right? Yeah, it's super cool. Very subtle things here. Now let's take a look at some other ads, right? Because this is really important. This is the combination that can quite literally make $100 million plus, maybe even $1 billion plus. I don't know how high this could go. We'll see in the next 10 years, right? We're trying to push everything to the next level. But I think this combination alone is just so powerful. So yeah, let's look at their ads. They have 230 different active ads currently. That doesn't mean these are all winning ads. That's one thing to note from the Facebook ads library, because most people sometimes don't turn off ads. If Meta is not spending on them, they'll just still leave them on, but they're not necessarily winning ads. So as you see, they're promoting all of the new products too.
I just turned 30, but
this is actually a really innovative product, because this is kind of a different take on the big red light mask, because it's just for your eyes, which is the thing people care about the most, is like their eye region. I think that's where you show that you're aging the most. I'm not an aging expert here, but you gotta dive deep into the customer, what they want, right? Or maybe what they don't know they want, but what they care about the most. So if people care the most about their eye wrinkles, then it's a good idea to launch a product that is basically just for that. So this is really, really genius. Let's see. Let me go back to the hook here. I just turned 30, but I don't want to put needles in my face. Oh, that's very, very, very good. So I just turned 30, boom, that right away catches people's attention, especially people who have just turned 30 and people who maybe have thought about going to some sort of Botox place or something to shoot up some Botox into their face. Again, I'm no expert in all this, but I know that people do that a lot. So let's see. This is how I stay looking young. You can get professional grade results in just 3 minutes. Oh, so this allows you to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, puffiness. This is a really brilliant product, I'm not going to lie. I really like the idea of just a specific one for your eyes instead of just the whole mask. So boost collagen, it does a whole bunch of stuff. This is a really good ad. I love the font that they used. Another interesting thing to note is the formatting here. It's 4:5, which takes up a large chunk of your screen on Meta. Wow, really cool product. Shout out to Solawave. I also noticed they kind of rebranded it slightly, or maybe not, but it seems like it to me. So, this is really clever too. This is a good ad format. So they're launching these images. So this one says, it's really small, but it says, "My secret for targeting aging on the go." But it's a native font, right? So this is a font that's native to the platform. And then instead of being a video, it's just an image. So some people may think it's a video, but it's not. And you understand it right away. Really, really good ad formats. So all these ad formats are great. Here's another image, but this one actually has a video, a comment reply thing on it. That's another really clever one. They're really going crazy with this buy one, get one free Black Friday offer. So as you see, they're really spending a lot on this. It's Black Friday week, so it makes a lot of sense that they would do that. And want younger looking skin without laser treatments. So, before they used the younger looking skin without the needles, without laser treatments. These are things that they can talk about over and over again. And it's always going to hit the right target demographic, right? Because a lot of people can relate to that. Wow, really interesting. So this one right here, this is a really good angle. So your glow doesn't go unnoticed. Now share it with someone you love. So this is a good way to promote the buy one, get one free, right? Because a lot of people are going to be buying gifts. And this would be a cool gift. Gifting season is here. Get them something they'll actually use. Really good one too. I mean, yeah, they have like infinite examples here, so you can look through yourself. I don't like these videos to be too long, but ultimately, this is pretty cool. And I think it's really worthwhile to look at. I already have some ideas here from what I just saw that I'm going to send to our creative team, and also some things to apply to some of the stuff that we're launching. So hopefully you do too. The last thing I guess I'll mention is that they do quite well on social media. So they're posting a lot of stuff on social media organically, which is really smart because you can use that as ads. You can use that just to get organic traffic. To me, those are my two favorite things or ways to drive traffic, is through affiliate creators and organic content. Maybe if you have like a really good creator that can be the face of the brand, that's great. And then running paid ads on Meta, running Meta paid ads, it's just so powerful. I mean, I love doing that. So that's what we mainly do at Academy So, just lastly, if you are a brand and you want us to handle your media buying and scale you up, whether it be on Meta, TikTok, or Google, hit us up and we would love to help you do that. We've worked with some awesome brands. And that's about it for this video. Definitely learned a lot from it. Hopefully you did as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.